Have you ever looked around your home and thought, I wish I could give this place a makeover, but I just don't have the budget for it? Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you how you can transform your space using items you probably already have lying around. Welcome back to Decor, where we believe that everyone deserves a beautiful home, no matter their budget. Now let's dive right in. One of my favorite DIY decor hacks involves something we all have in our homes: books. Yes, you heard me right. Books are not just for reading. They can also be a fantastic decor element. Stack them horizontally on a coffee table, or arrange them by color on your bookshelf. You can even use them as a unique base for a table lamp. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is it costs you absolutely nothing. Next up, let's talk about mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make a small space look larger, but they can also be quite expensive. So why not make your own? All you need is a piece of mirror glass, which you can get cut to size at your local hardware store, and a frame. You can use an old picture frame or even make one yourself using reclaimed wood. Add a touch of paint and voila! You have a custom mirror that reflects your personal style. Now let's move on to something a little more crafty. Do you have a bunch of old wine corks lying around? Instead of throwing them away, why not turn them into a stylish bulletin board? All you need is a picture frame, some glue, and your wine corks. Arrange them in the frame, glue them down, and you have a functional and stylish piece of decor. And lastly, let's talk about plants. Plants are a great way to bring life into a space, but planters can be quite pricey. So why not make your own? You can use anything from an old teapot to a tin can. Just make sure to add some drainage holes and you have a unique planter that's sure to be a conversation starter. So there you have it. With a little creativity and some everyday items, you can transform your space without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how you use what you have. Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please do hit the like button and subscribe to Decor. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me continue to bring you more content like this. Remember, a beautiful home is not a privilege, it's a right. And with these simple DIY decor hacks, you're well on your way to creating a space that's uniquely yours. Until next time, happy decorating.